We're going to the car show. Remember last year we went to the car show? It was a good time.
Did you grab your remote?
I have another one right here. See you at the car show.
There doesn't work in this car.
Sharing your love with me will be. That's fine.
You said it before.
Car show time.
Car show time.
I don't think anybody would like that.
You're gonna get a million comments saying, oh my gosh,
please never do that again.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look, an ice cream truck. Where?
We've left the car show now.
Bag removal. I'm very upset about that.
Okay,
Let
so
me put
in
my glasses on.
Alright. In California they just passed the thing that says no plastic bags. I don't know. Yeah. But it's really just a nuisance because
What a pain in the arse. I'm not even sorry I said that.
No, but yeah, it is a pain because it's 10 cents a bag, and if you don't
What
want
were
to
the
pay,
plastic bags hurting?
they were hurting the environment,
No,
Kelly.
they weren't.
Yeah, they were. They were floating around in the ocean,
How do you know
and
that?
they were killing.
Can these bags not float in the ocean?
They were getting around people's necks. And
I
they were,
don't know. That can't be right because you can throw these bags in the ocean.
Well, there'll be less of them. That's their
Oh
point.
crap.
Anyway, we're going to Target. We're gonna go get some Christmas stuff, and we're gonna go home.
We're gonna decorate Christmas.
We're not gonna decorate fully, all right? I'm still on the side of.
I just bought a $20 nativity set on Amazon.
Oh, I should probably stop right here. No, I'm still on the side of waiting.
You're the one that told me last Monday, but honestly you did, that you wanted to decorate before Thanksgiving.
Like a little before, not like
I'm
today.
just saying that's what you said though.
All right, you know sometimes I lie. All right.
We're just pointing in all the facts.
All right.
I'm going to.
That's what Kelly wants for Christmas. The Spider-Man jacket.
Alright, let's go look for Christmas stuff.
Christmas. Store number 1 is done. On to store number 2.
Over there.
Store number 3 and 2.
Trying to roll in Sally's beauty.
Who's Sally? We're home now. We're home now. We're home. No, no home now. We are home now. So we're going to. I scare you? Nice. Something somewhere does, I'm sure. Yes. I couldn't save it. I couldn't save it.
I had some of your cookies.
gonna hang out now. I don't know what she said just now, but. Look at that puppy. Can I pet your dog? Hello.
Don't jump.
Hello. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Hi, bud. Hi. Oh, kisses. Kisses.
Don't jump.
Alright. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Anyway, before I got distracted by the puppy, we decorated. Look. Look. How festive is this? Festive AF. Kelly's napping because she's a little baby. Also, that and that. Oh yeah, and the table. Just realized I shot this whole thing without a hat on. So, that's gross. Cute little table. Be Mary. I don't know who Mary is, but we should be her. So yeah, more to come. Going
Oh my gosh, be careful.
to a Christmas tree lighting ceremony somewhere. Probably shouldn't be vlogging and driving.
Yeah.
And today is my parents' 28th anniversary. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. Here's a little tribute. Also, sad news, Casey Neistat, done with vlogging. I think I'm more upset than anybody, ever. Anyway, to the tree.
They gave like hats at the first 200 people or something. Pretty cool.
Are you drunk, Billy? Oh, your face is lit up all pretty. They gonna light this thing, Michael, or what?
I think it's 7. 20 more minutes.
20 minutes.
One eternity later.
That is real snow. It's real wet. Millie! I wish I got this on film, but Luke just pulled a pole station. And Michael reset it like the fire alarm person he is. The fire alarm guy. What's the acronym for fire alarm guy?
FAG.
Anyway, and the manager got all mad and jealous because he didn't know how to do it.
He was like, guys, you're not allowed to do that. And Alexis was like,
What's going on, everybody? How you doing?
how's it going? Ready to. All right, for the main course.
the whole reason how we're here. This is gonna go on my picture. Okay, say bye.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. I spat everywhere.
Yeah, I'm ready. And then what you do is like
Congratulations on making it in here.